Hi, this is Dr. Tim Fargo. I'm here to talk to you today about the types and causes of scoliosis. Scoliosis, as I've said before, is a sideways or lateral curvature of the spine with some rotation. What I'll tell you is that the most common type is what's known as idiopathic scoliosis. This is the one that gets the most press because this is the one that you hear about with children that are growing, where it's very progressive. It can be quite frightening for parents and for the child too. 80%, that's what percentage of scoliosis is of this idiopathic type, and we really don't know what causes it. That's what idiopathic means. The next most common type is known as congenital, which means by birth. So for example, and this is about 10%. For example, a person can have a vertebrae which they're supposed to be nice and square, like two, pop cans, if you will, or beer cans. And what can happen is you can have a vertebrae that is wedge-shaped or wedge-shaped this way, and then of course you're going to have a curvature around that. That's about 10%. Next, most common, is what we would call neuromuscular. So neuromuscular would be things like cerebral palsy, could be muscular dystrophy, ranges of different conditions which are affecting the central nervous system and then cause the spine to become malformed. Beyond that, we have things like trauma, we have connective tissue disorders. There are a lot of different types and a lot of different causes, and depending upon which type you might have, how severe it is, that will then dictate what kind of treatment should be applied to that particular problem. That's why it's critically important that you have a proper evaluation, and that's what we do at ScoliTech. Thank you very much.